Authorities say the Bridgeport Health Department has condemned a house owned by a former Bridgeport Fire official. That property home to a single mom who is blind and has a disabled child. News 12 Connecticut's Frank Recchia joining us right now from the East End with the exclusive details tonight. Frank?
Roxanne, imagine being blind and raising 3 little kids all by yourself in this house on Bunnell Street, where conditions are so bad, public health officials have now condemned the property.
I don't sleep at night thinking that something could happen when there's leakage.
36-year-old Jessica De Jesus, who is blind, says living in this house for the past year and a half has been a living nightmare.
Well, the house is not fit to live in. There's a lot of mold. It smells really bad. It makes us sick, and the ceiling in my son's room is collapsing.
Everywhere in the house, there are bugs flying all over the place.
You don't have to look far to see evidence of the many complaints.
Cockroaches.
From severe infestation to general dilapidation. After News 12 first telling the family's story 1 month ago, disability advocate Elizabeth Greenwood, herself blind, teaming up with East End resident and former city councilwoman Anita Martinez to get the city to take action. They say health officials have now condemned the property.
It always seems that people feel that you're disabled, I can step on you. And it's not right. We're a human being, and we deserve the same treatment as the next person.
Public records show the property is owned by former high-ranking Bridgeport Fire official Harold Clark Sr., who Martinez says is in the process of evicting the family despite providing them with a rental unit in this kind of condition.
Deputy fire chief for the city of Bridgeport, who had over 30 years, should know better.
It's very sad to know that somebody that we're supposed to count on to save lives, to be there for others, is treating a person with a disability this way.
Are you at Dunbar School?
One of the mom's children, she says, has type 1 diabetes and special needs.
You're not able to have any friends come over because of the conditions that you're living in, right? Mm-hmm.
While the family says they're grateful the house has been condemned, their future is uncertain. But they say by telling their story on News 12, finally, people are stepping up to help.
It gives me some sort of comfort that I'm not alone now.
The mom also thanking Councilman George Cruz, Clark not responding to our request for comment, a News 12 viewer stepping up to buy the family all new furniture, but where they're going to go, they say, is still a big question mark tonight. For now, in Bridgeport, Frank Recchia, News 12 Connecticut.